Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in just 4 days we have a massive pump from the NEWT or the Newton protocol. So if you don't know, I covered a Newton protocol in a newly launched AI tokens that had a huge potential, and at the time or when I published the video, I think it was trading somewhere around 33 or 34 cent. You can also check that video out. So it just took off, as you can see here. So this is a massive rally that this coin just had. So let's have a look at it and why it's pumping and what is the tokenomics and what are the other factors that you should know about this coin. So starting with the reason why the token is going up, we'll just look at it. So basically they launched their agent, so recurring sale agent now live. So recurring buy agent expanded, so you can actually DCA into 1000 tokens on base. So that is a massive one, and you can just do it through their platform. As you can see here, you can set it up and you can do the sell as well as buy, and eventually they will introduce more agents as well. So basically because of that the coin is going up. So another thing that they had, that they basically distributed a week for staking rewards, so that is a pretty good one. Now if we dive in depth into how it actually works, I will just give you an overview of what the protocol is. After that we'll look into staking. Now Newton protocol is an open and verifiable infrastructure layer designed to bring secure, programmable automation to on-chain finance. So basically what they are working on different type of agents that can do a lot of things through different chains. As of now they are working on base. As you can see here, they have this agent as well as this agent. This one is for the dollar cost average buying, and this one is dollar cost average selling, and it is on chain. So basically you can set it up and you can buy a token on any decentralized exchange through this agent as well as sell it. So this, I would say, the massive one, and as of now they have these two agents. So I think in the future they will have more of them, so I would say that is going to be additional utility. Now if you talk about the token itself, of course as of now its utility is to be used in the staking, and I think in the future there will also be governance. As of now I think the governance is not live yet, or not that I could actually see here, but again I think in the future there will be governance. Now as of now basically the Magic Newton Foundation allocated like 8.5% of the total NEWT supply, which is like 80 million. So as you can see, it has a max supply of 1 billion, so 85 million is allocated towards staking rewards, and you can actually stake it and get a pretty good rewards. It's like 25% APY, which I would say is a lot. So now additionally they will also be giving rewards through their transaction fees, or if the usage of these agents take off, they will also be paying additional rewards through the transaction fees generated through the agents, and all of them will be paid in Newton, of course, and they will be giving basically back to the transaction fees as a reward. So that is additional utility for the token, I would say. Now that is, I would say, pretty good one. Now if we look at other things, of course it is also used for agent model registry and service collateral as well. So agent developers can register agent models via Newton model registry. So basically if anyone wants to launch an agent, they do need to pay it in NEWT token. So that is additional utility. We talked about that, transaction fees and permission management, and as well as staking, of course, and governance as well. So I think the utilities of the token are pretty good, and they will be, I think, pretty useful in the future as well. So if we look here, NEWT is earned and distributed through protocol level fees. Users pay gas fees in NEWT for executing transactions and managing on-chain permissions. Validators receive rewards in NEWT for securing the network and processing automation related operations. The latest rewards are sourced from NEWT token paid as a gas fees for the use of the protocol and are determined auto. So I think this serves as a kind of interest or dividend, and or you can say return on any investment. So this, I think, is a massive utility. Again, I did talk about it just I think 1 minute ago. So I think overall the demand for the NEWT coin will increase as there are more users using the agents. Overall, that's pretty good. Now if we talk about the tokenomics of this coin, it has a max supply of 1 billion and its current supply is around 215 million, as you can see here. And this is how the rest is distributed. So as of now, they are slowly giving out rewards, stacking rewards, and that is coming from the foundation, and the rest are locked, as you can see here. So basically, if we look here, the early backers of the investors scored like 165 million, and Magic Lab, which is basically their labs, got around 50 million. Core contributors 185. We have on-chain foundation treasury 95, on-chain ecosystem development fund 125, on-chain ecosystem growth fund 155 million. So they have a lot of funds as well. So I think if we look here, there will be a massive unlock in 2026 May. So after that, there could be a lot of sell pressure, but as of now, I think this coin could be a pretty good hold for at least 1 year. But of course, getting it as of now may not be a good idea because it has already pumped. Like if we look here, it has already gone from its lowest to its highest, like it's up 150%, which I think is a lot. So it is better to wait for the correction if you're interested in the coin. And if you did watch my video back when the token was here, it could have been a pretty good buy at that time. But anyways, as of now, the token is trading, and there are a lot of traders most likely trading the coin since it's available on most of the exchanges, including Binance as well as Coinbase. So I think there are a lot of traders trading the coin, and of course it is also available on Upbit, and Upbit does brings a lot of volume. So that is another thing. Now if we look here, if you are willing to take risk, I think it is better to wait at least when the price retraces around 47 cent or even 39 cent, or you can also get it around 52, or if you are willing to take a very high risk, you can get it around 57, but I think it may not be a good idea. But again, as of now, it only has a market cap of like 144 million. It can go higher, I think, because of its utility, and as there are more users who realize that how useful is it. So as of now, I haven't used it myself, but if I think if users find it useful, they are recurring buying agents or they are DC agents, I think the token can go even higher. Anyways, I think it was a pretty good buy 4 days ago, but as of now it may not be a good idea to get into. But again, it has a pretty good resistance around 86 cent, I would say, when it launched. So again, I think it can go as high as 80 cent as of now, but after that I don't think that it can go. After that, I think it will most likely retrace at these levels. But again, it's a crypto, no one knows how high this coin can go eventually. But as of now, I think these were the pretty good entries. But if you're willing to take risk, you can actually get it on these following levels like 51 or 47 or even 40. And I think it has already hit like 75, and I think we can expect it to go around 80 cent or 85 or 86. After that, it could actually go down, but again, if the hype is just too big, it can go and hit new all-time high, who knows. But anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back. Thanks for watching.